God, I'm really starting to question my life that I'm actually filming myself in my backyard reviewing a product that cleans bugs off a car. Like, what the hell am I doing with myself? God, I wish I'd studied harder at school. Hey everyone, how you doing? So yeah, this morning we all went out for a big drive. There was about 4 or 5 of us doing some country lanes in the sort of outskirts of Louisiana. And I went in this bad boy, the base GR86. And you probably can't see from there, but I'll show some close-up angles that this thing is absolutely caked in flies. Like, I've been on like really long road trips and I've never like acquired this many flies on the car, and they're like completely nasty. It's like, you know, windshield, mirrors, bonnet, hood, whatever you Yanks call it, all over the grill. It's a total mess. One of the funny things was Cole was in his 135 and a bird literally like flew into his roof rack and just exploded, and it's just like blood and bird guts all over the roof of his car. So that's why he's not here now. He's literally cleaning his car. But I did text Daddy Eric on the way home, and I'd gone into a shop, took a photo of what bug cleaners they had, and they had this one, the Seafoam one. And he was basically saying, hey, I saw an ad for that this morning, get that one, try it. And I told him I'd do a review. So this is kind of where we are. Me questioning my life. I don't think this thing's going to work, but we'll see. Anyway, let's start with the ad that Eric saw, and we'll go from there.
Bugs on your windshield? Simply spray, and they're gone. Front-end disaster after your last road trip? No problem with Bugs Be Gone. Simply spray, let it soak for a minute, then hose off with water or wipe away with a wet cloth. You'll love Bugs Be Gone for any car or truck surface. Bugs Be Gone is water-based and completely safe to use on any vehicle surface. Just spray and rinse away. Ask for Bugs Be Gone wherever you buy your automotive appearance products, or check us out at bugsbegoneworks.com.
Pretty powerful advertising, isn't it? So yeah, next step, let's actually see if this Bug Be Gone can do the trick. Bugs Be Gone. First thing I think about this product is the name itself, Bugs Be Gone. I don't know, it doesn't work for me. They should just call it Bug Remover. Actually, maybe that's all part of the plan, right? If you say Bug Remover, it probably has to remove bugs, whereas if you just call it Bugs Be Gone, it doesn't really sound like you're doing anything. You're just wishing the bugs would go away. I think I've squirted all over everything on the front of this. I'm going to give it a few minutes. And I'm going to hose it and see what happens. See if those bugs be gone. So about 5 minutes has passed and it doesn't really look any different. It just looks a little bit wet. So I'm going to give it like 5 more minutes and then I'm going to just squirt it all off. I also bought this today, so I'm going to start getting this set up. I'm not going to review this. This is all about Bugs Be Gone today. This is all what Eric wants. And we tend to do whatever Eric wants. Apparently, according to the marketing on this box, it's easy, safe and fun. Sorry, the easy, safe and fun way to clean your car. I'm glad I've actually bought this, because all of the other ways I've cleaned my car have just been pretty dangerous. Okay, so here's what's in the box. We got that bad boy. We got that bad boy. Got a sample bit of cleaning stuff and some instructions. The first one is like, make sure all surfaces are cool to touch and out of direct sunlight. That's actually why I'm filming here in the shade. It's kind of like the most shady bit in the backyard. So basically, fill the container with 32 ounces of water, add 3 ounces of griots. Add 3 ounces of griots. They only give you 2 ounces. The fuck? What the? Add 3 ounces of Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish. I can't. Oh my god. This already doesn't feel like a safe way to clean my car. Alright, so basically just bolt all this thing together. Don't put enough cleaning stuff in and we'll just spray it all over the car. Yeah, this has probably had its 10 minutes now. I'm going to give it a hose off, see what's happened. All right, got my hose. Let's see how it goes. Didn't mean to rhyme then, but whatever. See, some stuff coming off, but I don't know if that would have just come off anyway if I'd just sprayed it without even putting the bug be gone. Let's try somewhere else. Here's the mirror before it's had any water. Maybe I think that looks better because the mirror's black. Don't know. Try this a little bit. Still bits. It is helping, to be fair, but I mean, it's still pretty bad. Look at that lot. Be gone, bugs, be gone! Leave this here car. Leave! Be gone, goddamn you! Alright, so it has actually done a pretty good job, but I don't know if the hose pipe would have just done it anyway. I suspect not. Still some bits. I'm going to give it a bit more spray in, and then I'm going to bust out the foam cannon thingy, or whatever it's called. It's cool actually. It's got a little grid on the end, so you don't clog this thing up with crap. Smells really nice too. Oh. No wonder they say this stuff's brilliant. So, I'm going to put this on the hose. So I got off to a bit of a bad start with this thing. Water was coming out of the handle. So when I started fiddling with the connection, there's like a quick release which popped the bottle off. So felt like a bit of a fool there. Because griots are an aggressive bunch, they only supply 2/3 of the soap that they actually recommend when you buy this squirter. So for the first time using it, you basically don't get the foamy goodness from what's available in the box. There's still some foam, and it does feel satisfying to use. It's like you're giving the car a giant pearl necklace, but it's on one of those days where you don't have a maximum load. After reliving some old college memories that last thought gave me, I gave the car a normal wash using some cheap stuff from AutoZone. I can't remember the brand, but you know the one. Big orange bottle, it's cheap, it doesn't smell very nice, but it works if you're prepared to scrub your fingers off. As I said earlier, the bugs are absolutely insane, and I was dreading how hard I'd have to scrub away with it and remove it with the cheap orange shit as the solution. So with that in mind, I do recommend Bug Be Gone. It's my first time using this type of product, and if there's a better one, leave a comment below for what you think is better and I'll give it a try. This isn't a review of the griots, but the stuff actually smells really good. As for a score, I can't give Bug Be Gone a 5 because I've got nothing to compare it to, so I'm going to give it a whopping 4 golden cocks. I'm docking half a cock because I don't have anything to compare it to, And I'm also going to dock another half cock because of the marketing video that Seafoam have created. Check this out. One of the things I noticed in that video is the spray. So on their video, it does like a whoosh noise, and you know, a big cloud of smoke comes out of this thing.
Bugs Be Gone is water-based and completely safe to use on any vehicle.
But when I do it, that's it. Totally not like the advert at all.